Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sit down, all of you. So, how was your day up till now?
I'm quite well.
Quite well.
Yes, ma'am.
Amazing.
Amazing. Okay, very good.
Good.
Okay, listen. Today we are going to read a new chapter. Name is My Country India. Before that, I will ask you some questions. I have already taught you about different domains of art. So, what are the different domains of art?
Ma'am, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere.
Also biosphere. Okay. And also the different soft topics.
Yes.
In lithosphere, we have continents. How many types of continents we have? How many numbers? Okay. What are those? One by one.
Asia. Africa.
Australia. North America.
South America.
Another left. Antarctica. Okay. How many oceans we have, Lord? 5. What are those?
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific,
Atlantic.
Atlantic,
South.
Arctic,
Southern.
Southern, Indian. Okay, very good. You remember very nicely. Okay, another question. Largest continent.
Asia.
India is in which continent?
Asia.
Okay. India is in which hemisphere? North and Eastern hemisphere. Very good. Smallest continent?
Australia.
Australia. Okay. Largest ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean. Okay. Okay, let's start. Today's topic is My Country India. We will learn about our country. What are the different features that lies in our country? Our country lies in which place in the world map? We will learn all those things. Okay. So our country India is in Asia continent. Okay. And it is in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. In the class of latitude and longitude, I already told you about hemisphere, and India lies in northern and eastern hemisphere. Okay. India is world's seventh largest country, next to, okay, and it is the second most populous country in the world, next to China. Okay, it is having a different type of, may say, all types of relief features. Means this land features you can find in India. Starting from mountains, you can find coastal plains, you can find ice-capped mountains, the mountains covering with ice, you can find deserts, okay, areas having heavy rainfall, areas having no rainfall, plateaus, river valleys, plains, fertile plains. So each and every, and coastal areas also there. Okay. So whatever relief features are there, whatever land area features are there, we in our country we have almost all type of features. And also due to these geographical diversities, we also find different type of flora and fauna, means different type of plants and different types of animals which are rearing and growing in different parts of the country. So also we have a different social and cultural diversities. We have geographical diversities, we have diversities in flora and fauna, we have social diversities, we have cultural diversities. So according to the geographical area, we have adapted ourselves to that place and also adapted to the social style. Okay. So India is the 7th largest country in the world and the 2nd populous country next to China. It occupies or accounts 2.4% of the total surface of the earth. Okay, India amounts about 2.4% of the total earth. And the total area of our country is 3.28 million square kilometer. And the total area of our country is
3.28.
very good. And the total distance from north to south is 3,214 kilometer. From north to Kashmir to south in Kanyakumari, it is 3,214 kilometer. Okay, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And from Ran of Kutch, Ran of Kutch in Gujarat.
Ma'am, Andhra Pradesh to Kutch.
Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch. From Ran of Kutch in Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh,
2,900 kilometers.
2,900 kilometers.
it is 2,900 kilometers. So from north to south it is 3,214 kilometers and from west to east it is 2,900 kilometers. Okay, and a total coastal area of 15,000 something, 15,106.76 kilometers. 70 or 76? 70. Okay. And India's border cover a total length of border, India's border, not the coastal length. It's the whole border. It is 15,106.70 kilometers. Okay. And in geographical terms, India is considered as a peninsula because that the southern part, it is from three sides it is covered with water. Okay. In the eastern side it is Bay of Bengal. In the western side it is Arabian Sea. And in the southern it is Indian Ocean. Name the only ocean which is named after a country. Indian Ocean. Okay. So it is known as a peninsula. Because what is a peninsula? A peninsula is a piece of land which is covered with water on three sides. Okay. Okay. So we got an image of our country that on three sides it is having sea and oceans, and northern part there is Himalaya mountain range, Himalayas, and this side there is a mountain, western side there is a certain mountain, that is desert. Okay, a desert known as Thar desert, the seventh largest desert in the world, Thar desert, and there is Pakistan, Afghanistan, all the other countries are there. Okay, India is located above the equator. As I told you about, equator divides the earth into two different hemispheres, and India is in northern hemisphere. That means it is above the equator line. Okay, and the Tropic of Cancer, that is in 23.5 degree north. It passes through almost
the
middle of our country, dividing our country into two parts. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer, which is in which degree? 23.5 degree north. Okay, and our country lies between the latitude 6 degree 45 north. It is 6 degree 45 north to
37 degree
37 degree
6
north. Okay, so 6 degree what is that, 6 degree 45 inch north to 37 degree 6 inch north, and from western to eastern it is
68
longitude 68 7 inch east to 97 only one. Sorry,
97 degree 25 east.
97 degree 25 east. So this is the latitude and longitudinal point of our country. Okay, with this reference we can find or locate our country in the world map. Okay, so as our country is extending from this, there is a difference of 2 hours. It's a vast country. That's why we know the time according to the longitudinal values. Okay, that is the Greenwich Mean Time, the main meridian. So with that we are considering our time, and our time is 5 hours and a half hours faster, because we are in the eastern side. Okay, there is a 2 hour gap, the western to the eastern regions. So one reference point is given at 82 point, what is that point? 82 half degree east. This is the longitude which is taken as our Indian standard time. Okay, it is the standard time followed by whole of the country. Am I understood?
82 degree 30.
30 means what? Okay. Okay, let's see who our neighbors are. Without neighbors, we can't live, no? We need neighbors. Okay, we have lovely neighbors we have, no? Starting from in the west, northwest it is Pakistan, north it is Afghanistan, then Nepal, Bhutan, here China, okay, Bangladesh and Myanmar. I'm coming. We have 7 neighbors which share the land border with us. These seven neighbors, they share land borders. Okay, let's neighbors. Neighbors of India. What are the land? Those are sharing the land borders are Pakistan. Silently sit down.
Myanmar, Bangladesh,
Bhutan, China,
Sri Lanka,
Myanmar. So these are the 7 countries which share the land boundary, and there are 2 more countries which share the water boundary with us, known as Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, understood? Okay, and Sri Lanka is divided from India through a narrow strip of water. It's known as Park Strait. Okay, and there is also, we can see one type of bridge is there, Ram Setu, or it is also called Adam's Bridge. Okay, but it is, we know, Ram Setu. Okay. India is divided into, okay, let's, all this finished? Yes. You remember? Yes. Okay, now I am asking you some questions, tell me. Ansuman, tell me, India lies in which continent?
Malaysia.
Devranjan, in which hemisphere India lies? Northern and Eastern. Upasna, which latitude line crosses the passing India?
Tropic of Cancer.
Saranya, Tropic of Cancer is in which degree? Sit down. Sorry?
23.5 degree. No.
Now you are not clear about whether north or south. Already you learned that India is in northern hemisphere. Then how you can be in a dilemma that whether it is north or south? Okay.
23.5 degree north.
Okay. In terms of area, India is in which position? Stand up and say. 7th largest country. Okay. In terms of population, Prapti? Second. Which one is the first? China. Okay. Chris Kundan, stand up. Say 2 neighboring countries of India. Devranjan, look front. Yes? Afghanistan. You, Ansuman, stand up. 2 neighbors, that is water, sharing water border. Maldives and Sri Lanka. Okay, now tell me where Sri Lanka is situated. Which direction of our country? Ansuman. Southern direction. Okay, very good. And now tell me, raise your hand only. Okay. What is the distance from north to south? Only raise your hand.
3,914 kilometers.
3,000? Okay, you? 3,214 kilometers. Stand up. Sorry, sit down. Next, what is the distance from western to eastern? Yes, now Prakti. 2,900 kilometers. Okay. What is the okay? How much percent India occupies as from total surface area? 2.4%. Who are the other neighbors of India apart from in Pakistan and Afghanistan? Kritika, Manisha, tell. China, next. Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, please. Myanmar. Okay, good. You remembering very nicely. Thank you. Which degree? 82 half degree? East. Okay. You have to take whether east or west because same number of latitude and longitude are there. Suppose 23 half degree north, it is Tropic of Cancer. 3 half degree south, it is Tropic of Capricorn. Same degrees, only north or south. So you have to mention properly and correctly whether it is north or south. Okay. The different divisions of India. India is being divided into 5 categories according to the geographical regions. Okay, our whole country is divided into 5 categories according to the geographical regions. Okay, so what are those? First is the Himalayan or the northern mountains. Okay, first is the northern mountains. Second is the Great Northern Plains. The plateaus and islands. Sorry, deserts. Okay. About these we will learn in the next class. Okay. Thank you. Until then, you just write your homework. Write down. Your homework write down. Sorry. Write a short note on the location of okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.